We have some deeply tragic news. Liverpool and Portugal forward Diogo Jota has died in a car accident in Spain. He was just 28 years old. The accident happened near Zamora in the early hours of the morning. His younger brother, André Silva, also died in the crash. He was 26. Both were professional footballers. André played for FC Penafiel in Portugal's second division. This news has been confirmed by the Guardia Civil and local authorities. Diogo Jota was born in Porto in December 1996. He began his career at Paços de Ferreira, a local Portuguese club. He was then signed by Atletico Madrid. He later joined Wolves on loan, helping them gain promotion to the Premier League in the 2017 to 2018 season. Wolves made the move permanent. What makes this even more heartbreaking? Jota was married just 11 days ago. On June 22nd, he married his longtime partner. They have 3 children together. Now he leaves behind a newlywed wife and his young family. Tributes pour in.